Hi, this is Sive Morten with the daily update on EURUSD. I post my exclusive market overviews with the key political and economical events, charts and important levels on the ForexPeaceArmy.com forums weekly. This short video is a response to rapidly changing situation on the currency markets and should help you to stay on top of the game and be profitable. I suggest you to visit ForexPeaceArmy.com forum and read my analysis for the week before watching this daily video.
Greetings everybody. Today guys we'll take a look at the euro currency. Yesterday we have talked about the Great British Pound, and there we see some bullish patterns that have been formed and that suggest further upward action on the daily chart in the short-term period. On the euro currency we see approximately the same tendency, but patterns are different, but the idea is the same. So in the short-term perspective, so within the maybe current week or 2 weeks, you could see that the tactical bullish patterns are forming right now here. So what we have on the euro currency? On the euro currency we have nicely looking bullish engulfing pattern. As you can see, that has been formed on Monday. This upward rally, so you can see that bullish engulfing, and simultaneously this candle has become the bullish stop grabber since it has tested the MACD predictor line. So the bullish grabber has a bit more brave target. It suggests the taking out of previous stop, this area. Engulfing pattern has closer target, so it usually minimum target of the engulfing is the length of the bars. Approximately this should stand somewhere slightly lower than the monthly pivot point. So there's two targets that we have here. In general, upward action brings no surprise here due to the events that are coming. We today will get the Federal Reserve meeting, results on the rate hike, with such combination as existence of the significant amount of the longs position on the United States dollar, well priced in the very great anticipation of rate hiking, and a lot of positions that stand in expectation of that event. This dollar has risen for a significant amount in percents by expecting this step. And when the step will happen, we will not be surprised with the massive profit taking due to this event. Even right now, as you can see, that probably this process already is underway. Also, guys, do not forget about the such issue as end of the financial year. We have talked about it in the Great British Pound yesterday. So, guys, right now is December. In December, many companies close the financial years and they start to calculation bonuses, profit, and something of that sort. And as the current spiral of the rate decision is coming to an end and closer to the end of the year, this will be a very significant reason to take the profit and go to the Christmas holidays. So not take any further steps right now, so waiting for the starting of the next year. That all the combination of all these moments brings us to the idea that it's nothing really curious with the possible upward action here with profit taking and so on. That's why appearing of these bullish patterns seems rather logical. But guys, in general, mostly it will depend on Fed what Fed will say on the perspective on 2017. Some people think that this will be very careful with the announcement of the policy on 2017. But if this really some hawkish moments will appear, will be said, so this probably could finish the upward retracement faster than somebody could think about it. In general, this current tactical upward action absolutely doesn't change our long-term view, and we still suggest that euro currency in medium-term perspective will continue dropping. But right now, let's deal with this tactical stop and trying to estimate what to expect, what targets could be hit with upward action. So here on the daily chart, we have estimated that grabbers suggest taking out of this top. But currently, guys, probably this will not be very interesting for us, because you can see that this target stands beyond the daily overbought. That's why probably if market even will reach it, this will probably happen on the next week. Currently, we will focus on the potential target of the bullish engulfing, since it's closer and it could be reached within the current week. On the hourly chart, guys, now you see that market has reached the level of the retracement that we have specified in the weekly research. We said that market probably will reach 1 or 650. This is the three of the major action here, and weekly pivot point. So now you can see market is testing the weekly pivot point. It's trying challenging it, but can't pass through it yet. So if it will break it up, what could it mean? It means that we should, based on the engulfing pattern, estimate the target, something of that sort probably. This will be the target of the engulfing pattern. Right. And it brings us approximately to the agreement with the 1 or 740 area. That could become the first target that market could reach on the way up. And that area stands below the daily overbought. And that market lets to hit it. So 1 or 793 is the daily overbought, approximately 98. So this target stands at 1 or 740. So this could be achieved maybe even today. Who knows? And finally, guys, here we also see, as you can see, some kind of the bullish dynamic pressure is forming. Since trend was bearish here, but price action mostly stands flat. You can see that market is forming right now high lows. It's challenging the weekly pivot point. This indicates that probably market could make an attempt to the breakout today, the possible upward action here. Unfortunately, we don't have here any butterflies or something of that sort. But in general, this standing and forming high lows right at the resistance usually leads to some breakout to the upside. So that's perspective that we see here in the nearest future that could be formed. Also, another bullish sign that we see on the hourly chart, as you can see, this reversal swing has been formed. Take a look that this upward swing is greater than previous downward swing. This usually indicates short-term reversal in the market, that market really could continue move slightly higher. In general, guys, in short-term tactical retracement right to this area or maybe onto the weekly pivot resistance, one looks absolutely normal. So let's see what we will get. If you would like to take any positions currently, guys, first of all, do not take the short position until market will not form any clear reversal patterns at some significant resistance area. So recall what we said in weekly research. Keep watching for resistances. First level is 1 or 650. Here we will be watching for reversal. Currently, guys, we don't have any reversal patterns, but even more, we even have the bullish patterns on the daily chart. That's why until they will not be worked out, it will be not really good idea trying to take the short position currently. Second, wait the results of the Fed meeting, because they will bring the major volatility on the market, this event, and by the result of the Fed meeting, there will be more clarity on the market, what to expect and how to react. That's why we will get better information, where we should take the position, what position we should take, and so on. That's why, guys, currently I do not see any reasons to be hurry with taking any positions. If you would like to trade it long on the market, well, you could do this because we have the patterns on our back. So we have the bullish engulfing, we have the bearish grabber, bullish grabber, stop grabber, but keep in mind that the Fed is every time is a gamble. You do not know what they will say, although you have the patterns, but they could be overruled by the fundamental statement of the Federal Reserve, because the fundamental statements usually overrules the technical steps. That's why, yes, you have the technical background, but what you will get on the fundamental one in the Fed meeting, this is the question. If you are satisfied with this perspective, with this combination of the uncertainty, well, you could try to trade it. So it's no problem from a technical point of view. In my opinion, it's better to wait for you will win more if you will wait for the Fed Reserve results rather than compares what you could get some advantage by trying to anticipate the Fed meeting and taking position in advance. That's currently seems more, it's more risky. So that's our current view on the euro currency. Yes, that's been said, some short-term bullish setup exists here, but let's see how it will turn due to the Fed comments today.